So what are all these charges?
Pretty far.
I don't know, I just seen him doing 191, so that's all I could do.
Are you near him, Morbid?
Yeah, I'm running.
I'm on my way. Yeah, but there's a big assault. Be ready for a little hidden armed,
Guys, the hell is this over here, man?
off-road hiding somewhere.
Yeah, drop me off before you get to him.
Bro, Morbid.
Alright.
User joined your channel.
Morbid, what are you doing, man? It's over here.
Morbid! Have you got repair kit or impound my vehicle, please? My vehicle here next to a tree. I broke.
Oh, okay.
Morbid!
It's because I have a shitty pistol.
Hello!
Oh, alright, mate. I got a license for it, dude. I've got no
Morbid!
bounty, so like, I don't know. Yeah.
Hello?
Alright, man.
You lose your stuff. Sorry, wrong chat.
What if I like lay on the ground just like this?
Morbid!
Wait, are you saying you won't
Hello?
be able to give me a lift to the closest town?
User joined your channel.
Alright.
Yeah,
Thanks,
man, I
man.
tried getting your chopper back, but I've just somehow glitched and died in the middle of it.
Mad.
And all I've got access to is tasers, so I won't damage it.
Alright,
That's fucked. I might as well just wait for all the fuel and stuff to drain out then.
I
Alright.
think Thingy was saying that there might be
Morbid.
another server restart soon, so
Oh yeah,
if
cool.
that happens, yeah, that'll do it.
Charlie, what the fuck did you do?
Oh. Sorry, anyway.
Alright.
User
Alright,
left
thanks,
your
guys.
channel.
Oh, I was thinking you did.
User left your channel.
Yeah, I know.
Alright, I'm right behind you. Madcap's got our
I'm
back.
bringing up the band hammer.
Sorry,
Oh my days, I just want a repair kit. No, he's not an Repair admin, so stop kit. threatening people
Ad,
with it.
admins can't ban people, can they? Can admins ban people?
Yes, I can. Go away,
Oh, sorry, can you not ban me? I had no idea. I'm a newbie to this.
are you
Hey, Jesus,
asking if admins can ban?
You're the fucker that blew up my car.
can I ride with you?
You're lucky there's police here to save you, man.
Jesus, can't
That
I ride with
Odin
you?
guy rammed me off the road.
No, sorry, there's not
And then drove off.
car.
Can I jump in the back, please?
No, you
Don't
can't
have
fit
any
in the
money.
back.
Thank you, Morbid.
Like the game doesn't let you fit in the back.
Can you talking direct instead of through, please?
I was locked in the car anyway.
Can't we have some money, please?
Charlie, out of chat.
I had no control.
Thank you, Morbid. Can you get this Odin away before he rammed my car off the road?
What are we doing about models?
Do your job. Well, he flew past you guys.
Right there, can you go and impound it? On
No.
road
Did
there?
you have video?
Up on that road that you were just... On the other side
Oh,
of
it
the
was
road.
fine.
I need to
Whoa,
put
whoa,
a little
whoa.
bird in the air, which shouldn't be. Did someone give this guy
Sorry,
permission?
mate. Sorry, mate. That was my fault.
No, he stolen it. Whoever stole the helicopter.
Sorry, jump into my chat.
RDM.
Stolen helicopter.
Yeah, nah, he...
User joined your
That
channel.
was like RDM
User
to the
joined
max.
your
bro.
channel.
Yeah, I'm sorry, mate.
Mate,
I wasn't moving at all. I wasn't moving at
all
all.
my gear. You're paying
Yeah.
for all my gear that I had on me.
Yeah, it's fine. I
User
wasn't moving
joined
at
your
all.
channel.
Then I was sat in my car and
I
just
don't
laid out.
So yeah.
I don't give a fuck.
Dude. Yeah, no, well we...
No, I meant
I
to
didn't
jump out
kill
my...
him. I told him I was gonna kill him, man. I was screaming at him to pull over and he didn't pull over. I was like, dude, I'm gonna kill you. That's not RDM. I told him.
Someone try and tell him to land.
That's not allowed though. That's not allowed.
Yeah, it wasn't my intention to kill with the car.
Yeah. We can take
Uh,
this
so
to
I
Fury
had-
if you want, man.
It was fine, because, yeah, I was just having frame rate lag. Like, the moment you start walking to the side of my car, I meant to move forward because I thought you were shooting at me. And the frame rate lag just fucked me over.
we were gonna book models for doing 191.
How did you even know me? Seriously.
Yeah, the
Hi,
helicopter.
in a helicopter.
That's fucked.
That's so slow, I could be more than that. You always get me when I'm going slow.
No worries.
Yeah.
That's alright.